warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, how are you, student? All healthy?
Yes,
On learning. And then, as usual, later the student who can answer the questions will give a plus point. Okay, student, let's do the lesson. Yesterday, we learned about the excretory system. Does anyone still remember yesterday's material?
yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay, what is?
The excretory system is a system for removing wastes from living things, such as carbon dioxide, urea, toxin, and others, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Quiz, Dita, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Dita. Does anyone want to explain more? Come on, more student. One more student.
I am
Okay, Rizvi.
the excretory system is the disposal of the body's metabolic waste. The excretory organs include the kidneys, liver, skin, and lung.
Yes, it's great. Please give applause to Rizvi and Dita. So this material will also relate to the material that will be discussed in the next, namely the regulatory system, where the excretion process is regulated by body's regulatory system. And then to shorten the time, I will explain the next material. Next, please. Rizvi, next, please. Previous PowerPoint, please. Next. Okay, thank you. And then for, I think I done to rate the basic competencies, just learning objective. Number 1, student can explain the structure and function of cell in the regulatory system. Number 2, students can explain and analyze the working process of the regulatory system. Number 3, students can explain abnormalities that occurs in the regulatory system. Okay, next. Okay. Do you think anyone here understand what is system regulation or regulatory system? Anyone? Please.
I am ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rizvi?
This regulatory system is a body regulatory system.
Okay, that's right. Then does anyone know what the system regulation are?
Me, ma'am.
What is?
Nervous
Hanya, ma'am.
Yes.
Endocrine system and sensory.
Okay. I'm sorry, who is the recording of my presentation? Aisyah Tur.
No, Homsa. Salma, maybe.
Okay, Salma.
Salma, do you
Maybe
Riza?
any problem with the recording? Why? Apa mulai dari awal? Mulai dari? Okay. When feel cold, there is a hand rubbing response. Maybe, who knows?
I don't know, ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, judging for my questions, what causes human to feel cold?
I am ma'am, because there is a sense of court.
Okay, thank you, Aishatur. Then, what's the other role there?
Nervous system, ma'am, maybe.
Okay, exactly. So, can anyone make a connection between the two things that you mentioned earlier that are related to the regulatory system?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Ulumi.
So when it's cold, this cold feeling will be transmitted by nerves to the brain to be processed and perform a movement in the form of rubbing hands and blowing to keep them warm.
Okay, thank you, Ulumi. Do the other students agree with Ulumi opinion? If you agree, please click reaction love. Okay, thank you. And then, are you sure, Ulumi, for your answer?
I'm really sure, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Ulumi. Does anyone have a different opinion with
No,
Ulumi?
ma'am,
I'm
I agree with Ulumi.
Too.
Okay, thanks. Thank you. That's right. Man will complete Ulume's answer. So this cold feeling can be received by tactile system of the skin, namely crus nerve, which can feel the cold. And then the cold is a stimulus that is received by the receptor and transmitted by the sensory nerve to the brain, and the brain will process the information. And then hand movement is form of processing information from the brain how to reduce cold feeling. Okay, then go to the first material. Next. This is the material regulation system, nervous system, endocrine system, and then sensory system. Next. 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 Okay. The nervous system function to receive and transmit nerve impulse throughout the body. Jadi, the parts consist of dendrites, axon, myelin sheaths, and other. Please study it yourself because this material has been studied before. And then next. Okay, according to the direction of the impulse, nervous cell divided into three parts, namely sensory neuron, connectory neuron, motor neuron, and then based on their cytoplasmic extension, neurons are divided into three. There are unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, and multipolar neuron. Okay, unipolar neuron can be seen from the name. B means two and multi means many. Maybe any questions, students?
No, ma'am.
Not yet. No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And then next. Okay, I'm moving on to the mechanism of movement. Of course, this is not foreign to you. I'm asking for help from absent one, Kusnul, maybe, to explain what is the difference between normal movement and reflex. Please help me to read the material on PowerPoint. Next, Rizvi. Okay, please,
Okay, ma'am.
Kusnul. Yes.
The normal motion is ordinary motion is carried out by stimulation from receptor to sensory nerves, then to the brain, and then processed by the brain. The processed result is a response carried by the motor nerves to the effector. However, reflex motion is a response of motor sensory interneurons, effectors, and organs quickly at the same time. For example, pulling the leg immediately after stepping on the butt of a lit cigarette.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Kusnul. Okay, so basically the things to remember is after the sensory nerve, where the reflex movement pass through the spinal cord and conscious movement pass through the brain. Okay, next we go to the central nervous system. Okay, in nervous system, that is consisting of two central nervous system and then peripheral nervous system. So the central nervous system is divided into here. Namely, there is number absent 2. Please, Rashida. Hello, Rashida. Okay, maybe Tita.
Yes, ma'am. Brain and spinal cord. Ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please next the slide. Okay, good job ya. Thank you for Tita. It's true what Tita said. The brain consists of the forebrain or cerebrum that is receiving all receptor stimuli at sex smell, hypothalamus for muscle contraction and so on, and then hindbrain to control the flow for impulse, and then there is a spinal cord as a regulator of reflex motion. And then next, please. Okay, there is a peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system in Indonesia is system saraf tepi. Okay, the function of the peripheral nervous system is to convey information to and from the regulatory center. Example, conscious nervous system. When we move our hand like that, and then when our heart muscle work. Heart muscle, that is otot jantung in Indonesia. Okay, maybe any question in here?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And then next. Okay, endocrine system. The endocrine system is hormone. That is, hormone is a chemical substance produced by the body that can cause physiological effect on target organ, and then hormones are produced by the body endocrine glands and are transported in bloodstream. For its function, you can read, one of which is to regulate homeostasis. Here is an example of its application. Anybody know?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
For example, regulate the output of urine.
Okay, why do you want to urinate more often when you drink a lot? Maybe Rizvi? Why do you want? Okay, why do you want to urinate more often when you drink a lot?
Maybe it has something to do with the ADH hormone because it has a function to regulate the body's balance through urine output.
Okay, thank you, Rizvi. Please give applause for Rizvi. And then, okay, why Arin off cam? Please, Arin, to repeat for Rizvi answer.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't take notes.
Arin, next time, please you pay attention for your friend explain, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
Okay, please do not repeat it. For other student, if you want to off cam, allow me first. And then maybe next, mom will continue the explanation. So when the bladder is full, the ADH hormone works to regulate the balance of the body. The stimulus is passed on the brain, and later the brain will continue the stimulus so that bladder opens that urine can leave the body. Okay, because time is limit, you can study it yourself. I will share the materials via WhatsApp. And then next, there is a pituitary gland next. Next, thyroid, parathyroid gland, thymus, adrenal. And then next, pancreas gland, gonads gland. You can study it by yourself I will share the material via WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe is there anything you want to ask for me?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, and then the next is sensory system. I will divide the group into 3 groups. Your task is to find out the structure and function of the sensory system and analyze the mechanism of the sensory system. I will give you 30 minutes. Okay, please do it with your group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, because the time is about to run out, I will choose one group to come forward to explain the mechanism of seeing in eyes, yes? Maybe I will choose for group 2 with the member of group 2. Maybe. Who is?
Okay,
Tita?
ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
I will explain our discussion, the mechanism of vision of an object, namely the source of light entering the eye through the cornea, through the pupil, whose white is regulated by the iris, is refracted by the lens, forming an image on the retina that is real, inverted, and reduced roots and cones transmit signal through the optic nerve of the brain, inverting the image seen on the retina of the object seen in accordance with the original. Enough, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. It's been very good. Yes, give applause to your friend who is on class. And then, okay, science time it's almost up. There is anything you want to ask for me?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, because time is limit. Yes, for disease of the regular. Because the time is limit, maybe who is to help me to conclude the material.
Me, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
About regulatory system. The regulatory system is a body regulatory system consisting of the nervous system, the endocrine system, and the sensory system, and it has a specific function.
Okay, thank you, Ulumi. Good. Okay, good student. And then because time is limit for disease of the regulatory system, you only do homework. Your task is to evaluate the disease in the regulatory system. I will wait for the meeting next week's. Okay, for the conclusion of material. Next, maybe. Next.
Ma'am.
Next, the PowerPoint, please. Okay, that is the conclusion. Thank you for Ulumi for help me to conclude the material. And then, as usual, prepare your word and email. Next. There are 5 questions for the post-test. I will give you 20 minutes. Yeah, okay. It's been 20 minutes. Okay. Very good for today lesson. Give applause to you. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to take care of your health, read the books, and don't forget to do the homework. And then ma'am share on WhatsApp group. I will end the discussion. Maybe enough for this study. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for Riza. And then maybe to observer. Please.
Okay. I'm the first observer.